Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your DLC not working and not being installed correctly. So let's go ahead and jump into this PlayStation tutorial right now. So you downloaded DLC and it's not being installed and you can't use it in your game. How do we fix that? The first thing that we should do is go to our home screen, then go to the top and scroll to the right to settings. Now go down to account management and go to activate as your primary PlayStation 4 and activate your PlayStation 4 as primary. Now go back and go to restore licenses. And if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with your licenses for that content. Try restoring your licenses. Now when you press restore, this may take about 5 minutes just to restore all the licenses. After the licenses are completed restoring, go back, go to the home screen here, and go to the game where you had an issue with your DLC. So let's go ahead and just choose Call of Duty for this example. Press down on the D-pad, then go to PlayStation Store under this screen. Then on the right, under add-ons, go to your add-ons. Now, all the DLC for the game should be located under this section. Just go ahead and press the download arrow on the left-hand side. Under the DLC, you want to go ahead and download. Now, if it's for a game that's not downloaded on your PlayStation, go all the way to the right to Library, then go down to Purchased. Then go to the game you want to download. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Under here, you can go ahead and download the game by selecting Download. Then go down to PlayStation Store. Go to the right to your add-ons. Under here, you can go ahead and re-download the DLC for that game. So if this PlayStation tutorial did indeed help you out getting your DLC to work correctly on your PlayStation 4, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.